Good morning, Frank Watkins. It's the 21st of June 2022 and I'm on my own today. Kylie's actually tied up with a few clients at the moment. Bill Lords has put on a bit today. Far too early to say whether a low is in place yet or not, and I think anyone that goes berserk today buying is probably jumping the gun a bit, although when you look at a few stocks, let's take BHP, at about $41 you start to think that is very, very cheap. Also, Commonwealth Bank at $89 is very, very cheap. Let's have a look at Woodside. The code has changed, WBS, I think. Hasn't backed off as much as the others, but still looks pretty cheap at $31. But as per usual, I'd be waiting for buy signals to get back into these stocks, and I'm still pretty keen on looking at higher low structures. So today we've really only got one, and it is a 6-cent stock, so I'm going to ignore it. Actually, that's on today's data, so I'll turn today's data off and we'll redo the scan as at the overnight and see if there's any difference. And lo and behold, we get the same stock. So JGH keeps coming up. The low could be easily be drawn from back here, so on and so forth, but at 6 cents I'm still not interested. The interesting things, I guess, at the moment are the way that iron ore stocks have been belted. Seeing Fortescue yesterday down at $17, it did dip under 17. Iron ore prices down fairly heavily as well, but you start to wonder if Fortescue maintain that dividend that we've all come to enjoy. The dividend yield is now 17.47% fully franked. So even if the dividend is cut in half, at these levels you're still looking at about 8% fully franked divvy, still better than what the banks will give you. The other one that's surprised me, the depth of the plunge, is Champion Iron, down to $5.30. That is a gift. Our original buyer came back here on a break of $5. Not sure where we got out, but it just goes to show you've really got to take some off the table at some stage. And just looking at OBV and the volume, I don't think it's all over yet for Champion Iron. Let's just bring today's data back into that one. And yeah, tiny little potential inside day forming. So really not much to talk about. I think people are fairly well got some cash in the kitty. So I'll leave it till another day before we work out how to spend that cash. Okay, cheers.